welcome back to another video. So today's video is a Charlie's nail art collab that I'm doing. The theme for this one is Santa Claus. Ignore these tips. I did just start this video and I did a pink base and I just thought it was a very similar colour to the last set I did. So this is just alcohol, it's stained my tips, wiping that pink off. But anyway, yeah, rather than going with a pink base, I'm going to do a kind of a nude base. This is number 002 from the Yayoge nude colour series, and it's exactly what it says. It's just a real, it's kind of like a bit lighter than my skin tone, really. It's just a really light nude colour. I'm going to need a blue as well. This is 002 from the Ocean series from Yayoge. It's a beautiful blue. And I'm going to need a red. This is from the Red Rose series. And it's 001. And it's a bright red. I love this red. It's beautiful. And I'm going to need a green. The Yayoge green that I've got is a little bit darker than I wanted. So I'm using this GD Cocoa Bond. And it's number 823. And it's just a nice kind of, quite a light green, really. And I also need a yellow, and I'm using this one. I didn't want a bright yellow. I wanted quite a dull yellow. And I've got this little itty bitty cute one from Lily Cute. But it's a really nice, kind of a pastel yellow. It's beautiful. And that's number LC32. So that's the colours I'm going to be using. Right. I'm going to get some of this nude on. I think it might only need one coat. I'm not sure. I've not used this colour yet. We shall see. But if it does need a second coat, I'll give it a second coat off camera. Oh, it's a very light colour. I like it. Right guys, that's them had two coats. I quite like that colour. I do, I quite like that colour. Right, I want to put some foils on these. What I've done is, I've cut a tree, some holly, candy cane, some snowflakes, some stars. And I've cut them all out of these ones from Charlie's nail art. I think I've cut, what did I cut off that one? Yeah, I think I've cut the tree and the holly leaves out of this one. I've cut some snowflakes off that one. And I've cut some stars out of this one. So there's a little mixture of all them foils going on there. Right, I'm going to try my McCart foil glue. I have not tried it yet, but I am going to try it today. I'm going to start with the index finger first. I'm just going to do one nail at a time. Yeah, because I don't want to be sticking to everything. So we'll start with this index finger. See how the McCart glue does. Right, I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, let's get some of these stuck on, shall we? Ooh. Right, I think we'll start with the Christmas tree. Right, yeah, we'll start with the Christmas tree right at the bottom. Put the Christmas tree there. Let me get my silicone tool to rub this in. Right, let's see how this McCart glue's done. Oh, it's done well. It's done well. Right, and I think we'll put this candy cane on as well. Yeah, I'll put the candy cane there. That did good as well. Right, now I'm going to do this nail. This nail I'm going to be painting Santa Claus on. So I just want a couple of little stars on the bottom of this one. And on the pinky I'm going to want... I think I'm just going to put a snowflake, and again I think I might put a star. And I think we'll leave that one out. So I'm just going to get them last two nails cured. Right, that's all my bits of foils on, so I'm going to give these a quick... It's got a hair on there. I'm going to give these a quick matte top coat. So I can paint on them, if I can get the lid off this. Right, I've got the lid off. So I'm going to give these all a quick matte top coat, get these cured in the lamp, and then we can have a go at painting a Santa Claus. How that's going to go, I have no clue. Right, that's them cured. I actually quite like that matte top coat, it looks quite nice. It's hard to see with my lights. Right, I'm going to attempt to paint me a Santa Claus. I definitely will be speeding this part up, sorry guys. But yeah, I'm slow at painting. I'm getting quicker, I'm definitely getting quicker. Right guys, that's all my gel polish painting done. That was a long one. I was going to paint a reindeer on this, but I just wasn't happy with my Santa Claus. So I thought I'm not even going to attempt a reindeer. So I've ended up putting some fairy lights on all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do some little snowdrops. Not a lot, because I think the nails are quite busy. Busier than I wanted them to be anyway. So I'm just going to put just some tiny little snowdrops. Right guys, that's them finished. I've wiped the tacky layer off these gel polishes. It was either that or have to top coat all these tiddly little bits, so I've just wiped the tacky layer off. What do you think? I think they are very, very Christmassy. I do. I think my favourite nails are these two with the Christmas lights. I really, really like them. I do. Remember guys, as well, this is a Charlie's Nail Art collab. My discount code and the website will be in the description box below. My discount code's always up on the screen anyway as well. There will be a collage picture on Instagram of everybody that took part. But yeah, I quite like them. I'm glad I went with the nude background and not the pink anyway. I couldn't do another pink set. No, it wouldn't be fair on your eyeballs, another pink set. Anyway guys, that is me done for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a big fat Christmas thumbs up. I wish you all an amazing, amazing Merry Christmas. Yeah, I'm going to go and have fun with the family now. I'm going to stuff my face. I hope you all have an amazing Christmas day. Take care, and I will see you after Christmas. Bye.